This is a pair of a super cute faux patent leather, PU leather, girls penny loafers we were sent a review from Dream Pairs. So cute. As you can see, I do have a little sizing note because my daughters are kind of going from size 2 to 3. So we've been ordering size 3s, which are great in sneakers and tie-up shoes, but these have no way to adjust. So don't try to size up with this shoe. It won't fit unless you want them to be wearing several pairs of socks, or you could actually insert one of those self-adhesive heel bumpers perhaps to like make it half a size snugger perhaps. That could work. Just my little sizing note. That's why we can't do a personal demo of these. They don't quite fit my kids yet, but I love the shine. I love the little penny slot. If you want to use it or not, it is there. A really cute shoe. They're not super flexible. They are quite substantial. Not heavy, but this is like a true rubber, really heavy sole. So chunky, clunky, super cute, a total vibe. Great for just regular shoes, for dress up, for school uniform. It has a nice lining, but it's not padded or anything. Slightly padded sole in there. Really rubbery, grippy tread. Really great. And quite thick with a decent sized heel. We love these. We can't wait to start using them, and we know that you're gonna love them too.